It's time for us to embrace our differences and practice a friendly and healthy competition. Ladies and gentlemen, noon may bida ang saya. Ngayon, pop para pop pop, sabog, sabay-sabay, love tuto. There you have it. Did someone order a la carte? Madam, do you want fries or burger? This is Yuki Ito, a 16-year-old stunner. 17. 18. Let's not talk about age. But I am here not as a baliw, but to make aliw. Baliwan.